Bilderall, your information products training and support specialist. Welcome aboard. Let me go ahead and check my phone and just make sure the streamy thing is happening here, as I believe it is. That looks like me.
To today's live
And
broadcast, I'm Keck with Bilderall.
it sounds like me. All right, let me get rid of that. Okay, welcome everybody. Glad you're with me here today. Again, Keck with Bilderall, training and support specialist with information products. Let's see what's going on out there today. I see, there's Mr. Rooster crossing the yard. Oh, it's cold out today too. Let me tell you, here in Northeast Florida. He's our cue to grab our cup of joe and let's get some training on here. Got my thick corduroy on here. I think we hit maybe freezing this morning when I woke up here in Florida, which is no joke for us Florida people. Anyway, glad you're with me. We're going to talk today a little bit about, hey, good morning, good morning. Let me open up my chat here and see who's on with me. Give me just a second here. If I can make this work, get my chat up here. Let's see, there I am. Very good. And we'll open that and say hello, Angel. Cosmos, good morning. And Carl, good to have y'all with us. All right, so now I've got the chat up. I should be able to keep up with y'all. So I want to talk just a little bit about today. It's going to be kind of a quick one. I just learned something the other day that was like, I had no idea. And it's with something, it's an app that I use like every day, all the time. It's the most simplest thing. Hey, good morning, Kurt. Welcome. So I'm going to talk a little bit. Ray, good morning. I don't know, you may have just missed it, but boy, it's cold here up in Northeast Florida. Hope you're hanging out okay there in Tampa. So anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And let's see, share my screen. Bear with me just a second here. Share screen. Okay. And it is going to be this one. Yes. And yes. Okay. So there I went to infinity and beyond. All right. So I'm going to talk today about Google Docs and my favorite Google Doc hacks, because I did not even know this was possible. The other day I learned this and I'm like, what? 42. Okay, yeah, it's cold all throughout Florida, it looks like. Got to stay bundled up. So here's the thing, Google Docs. I love the Google Docs. And y'all should be seeing my screen now. Just let me know if you're not, but I'm pretty sure I got it right here. So here we go. The first Google Doc hack that I love is the talk to type for hands-free writing. And show you how this works. It's super easy. You just go up here to tools and you come down to voice typing. Okay. And then you just click on it and you'll notice my cursor here in the doc. When I click on it, it's going to start to type everything that I'm saying. And I love this because I'm one of these double thumb typers, not so good at it at all. But as you can see by what's ending up on the screen here, the Google talk and type is pretty accurate. Yeah, it knows exactly what I'm saying. So anyway, really cool. This is a great way to get your book written, right? So, and then you just press this here again when you're ready to have the mic stop. And look at all that. I mean, how cool is that? Come on. It's great for writing your emails, email sequences, copy, anything like that. If you're like me and you just go down to start typing and it's just a slow process of trying to connect your brain with your fingers. Just turn the talk to type on here in voice typing and just start rambling and you'll have a lot of material to work with to edit down. Okay, so the second one I really like is that you can use the outline to plan and optimize your content. For single page and other short documents, you probably won't need an outline. However, when you use Google Docs to create things like documentation, ebooks, articles, you could end up with dozens of pages in the end. So this is really cool. This is the thing that really sparked my idea to share this with you because I didn't know this existed. But what you can do is over here, you see these on the left, these little show document outline. Okay, so you can click on that. And we can kind of see this outline pop up. So you can imagine if we had a super long doc that was like 20 pages, what a great way to go through and just go right to that spot in your document. Okay. Kurt says Microsoft Word has dictation also in the newer versions. Yeah, I love this thing. So with this, all right, first thing to tell you is, how does this work? How does this, how do you get this outline thingy over here? Well, all you do, okay, is, let's see. Oh, let me scroll back up here. Okay, so all you need to do here is you need to take a heading, okay, or wherever you want to start. Like this is the title. So I highlighted this. You notice here it says title. I did that. Okay, so you go ahead and mark that as title. Okay, and then it's going to show up over here as your title, Google Doc Hacks. And then you can do for heading. So I have this as heading 2. So anything you highlight here and you call a heading 2, or a subheading, it's all going to end up over here on the left-hand side. So I thought that was really cool, because we have with our team a couple of docs that we just keep adding to. Actually, it's our blog docs. So we write a weekly blog, excuse me, each of us in the Mag 5, and we just keep adding to that same doc, and then we have this ability to really go through it and find whatever article we're looking for. So a little pro tip here, your outline will only populate over here on the left once you've used the title and heading styles on the page. Okay, so unless you've highlighted something and put it as a heading or a title here, it's not going to give you this outline view. But as soon as you do, no problem. It just pops right up over here. So that's really great for organization. That has helped me a lot. So the other thing that I think is really cool, and I'm not sharing all of the features of Google Docs with you, just the ones that I've recently found out about and been like, what? And I really wanted to share with you. So this one, insert custom visuals. You can embed other kinds of visuals into your documents too. For example, you can insert a table like this, or another kind of drawing. So I'll show you how to do that right now. Table, you just go to insert table. Okay, so let me put my cursor here. Okay, so insert, and you go to table, and here you choose how you want the table to look. 1 block, you could have it 2 blocks by 1 block, or you could have it, as big as you want. Let's just say we want it 4 by 2. Look at that. I didn't know you could do this. So you can put stuff in here like Keck, and then you have a little drop down here where you can do borders if you want around them. So you could change the borders. So just a lot of cool stuff here. We'll put Ray in this one and Kurt over here. So anyway, I just thought that was a cool organization, how you can do a table like this and, put whatever you want in it. So that's cool. And then let me go to, let me get out of that thing. Okay. And now I'll show you how to do a drawing. I know, Cosmos, right? So you can do the same thing from insert. You can go to drawing, and we'll say, is it drawing? Yes, new. So let's say I want to insert a shape. Say I want to kind of build out a funnel, right? So say I'm going to use this square box. Okay, there's my box. And I'll just say copy. And then I'll just say paste, 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 paste. If you want a different shape, you just go up here and pick a different shape. But then you have all these boxes here you could use for planning. You could say, let's see, sure I can type in here. Yeah, so let's say this is going to be my opt-in. Okay, so that's going to be my opt-in, and that is going to go to send them to, I'm going to deliver with this maybe a free report. Okay. And then I want to add a line here to say, oh, they're going to go from the opt-in, they're going to get this free report, and then they're going to get sent over here to my front page, front end offer, and so on. So this is really cool. And then watch this, save and close. Boom. It just goes right into your document like that. So anyway, I didn't know that existed. I thought that was really cool that you can draw things, and I think you can do freehand drawings too. So let me see about this. Draw, new, let's see. No, image, shape, line. Okay, I guess you cannot do, oh, scribble. Yeah, here it is. So scribble, look at this. Woo, isn't that pretty? Save and close. And there it is on my doc. Yeah, great for flowcharts and other stuff. So cool stuff, cool stuff. All right, so the next one I'll show you is the header and page numbers. Okay, and this is good because if you do have a doc that's longer, you want to put some page numbers on it, and that is really easy. You just go up here to let's see, to header, and let's see, file. Let's see, where is that header and page number? So that's going to be under insert, I believe. Or is it format? Page numbers here under format. So here you can just say, hey, I want the position. I want it on the header, or I want it on the footer. Let's put it on the footer. Start at 1, apply, and you see here's my page numbers down here in the footer. Really good to keep you organized if you got a big document, especially if you're going to print it out. So there's that. And then there's this dictionary thing. I am not the world's best speller, and that's putting it very generously. So I'm always, when I'm working in my Google Doc, I'll end up going out of the doc and going just, to the internet to check my spelling. But you can do it right here. I didn't realize that. Go to Tools, Spelling and Grammar. So Tools and Dictionary right here. So you pull up this dictionary, and I can type in here, how do I spell say effect? Okay, just want to make sure I'm spelling that right. Okay, yes. And so that's cool. You can work in the dictionary right here to check your spelling. You can also check spelling, obviously. They have a check spelling. Where is that? Tools, Spelling and Grammar here. So that's good. I keep that turned on, and that's where it gives you the suggestions. But the dictionary was a nice new find for me the other day, so I wanted to share that with you. Let's see. There's something else I wanted to show you before I go on. Yes, let me go skip down here to this one. You can also explore the web from your Google Doc. Again, like I was saying, I often would go out to the web to while I'm writing something to look stuff up, but you can stay right on your document now, which is really cool. So Tools, Explore. So go to Tools. First, let me shut my dictionary down. Tools, Explore, and look at this. We got a little browser over here, and I can say, geez, what am I looking here for? The butterfly effect. What is the butterfly effect? Wikipedia. So that's pretty cool how you can search stuff right here. You can search images also, which is helpful if you want to insert anything. And you can also insert images in Google Docs. I didn't realize it was that easy, but look at that. You can just pull it over, or you could go here through to insert through an image. So I just want to show you that. That's cool to be able to go and look around on the web right from your Google Doc. So I'll shut that one down. And let's see now. The other one I wanted to tell you about, custom visuals, page numbers, drawing, images. Okay, use the dictionary. Explore the web from your Google Doc. Okay, so this one next is create a translation version of the document. To create a fully translated version of your document without having to write a single word in another language, use Google Docs' built-in translation tool. You'll find this under Tools and Translate. So let's check this out. Translate document, choose a language. Let's say, looking for somebody in the chat who might speak another language. Let's see, Carl from Bavaria. Let's see if we can do, I'm guessing that's German you speak over there. Do you speak German or Dutch? Forgive my ignorance, but let's say it's German, and we'll press German and translate. And let's see what we get here. Okay, talk to type für Finger hat es dies geschrieben. Verstanden es word Afghanistan. Okay, so I don't really speak it. Hey, good morning, Jose. So here you have it in German. German, excellent. Okay, so hopefully, Carl, this doc now is speaking in your language. I'm going to go ahead and change it back so I can know what it says. So let's see here. Put it back to English, translate. So, and that's really, oh, excellent. Carl said it worked out. So yeah, Google's real smart, let me tell you. So it's good for Builderall because, or, even information products or whatever, because it's a global community, a global market when we're talking about internet marketing. So you will have customers and clients in different languages. And here's a way you can communicate with them through text just by using that little translate feature. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what else. I think that may have been the end of it. Let me scroll down here, kind of a working document. Okay. And okay, the last two things I want to share with you are how to share. So this button up here, when you press share, right now it tells you the security settings. It's private to only me. Okay, so if I go to the share settings here, I can do a couple things. I can get a link here, and right now it's restricted. So only people added can open with this link. So if I want to add people up here, say I wanted to add my wife here, or say I wanted to add our buddy Chris Chesar, when I do that and press send, now he has ability to look at it, and he can also edit it, or I can change it and say, no, I just want him to view it, or I want him to be able to comment on it. So that's how you would do that. Or you can go to get link here and you can change it that anyone with the link can view it, or you can make it restricted. You can make anyone with the link be a viewer, a commentator, or an editor also. And then when you're done, you just press click or copy that. You press done, and then you just copy the link and you can share that link with whoever you want. So super easy to share documents from Google Docs. And the last thing I'll show you is export your document as other file types. So you can go to File, Download As, okay, File, and Download As, and it's automatically going to come up with all these as options. You can download it as a Microsoft Word doc, an open doc, rich text format, PDF. Now, this is what I like about this, because when you export it as a PDF, it's kind of locked up a little bit. Usually people can't find those, can't edit those PDFs. So I just downloaded it here, and let me click on it. So now you can see, here's the PDF of the doc I was working on, and the PDF's created automatically. And it just seems like a PDF is a little nicer. If you're going to have it as a product or a free report or an ebook, you're going to want to change it to a PDF. So back to the regular copy there. So let me stop sharing my screen here. Let me see, where did I go here? All right, I don't think I'm sharing my screen anymore. No, I'm not. So anyway, that's all I had for you today. Some cool things about the Google Docs and different hacks that I just learned recently from Shelly, of course. So I just wanted to share that with you. So Google Docs, great tools, and that's the way it is with so many things. We have these tools, but we just use a little fraction of what they can do. So I always find it exciting when I can find something that's helpful like this that I use all the time. All right, let me look over to the chat, make sure everybody is happy over here. Nobody asking any questions. Nope. All right. Well, that's it, my friends. I am going to go ahead and let you go. Let me look in my chat here. Forgive me if I'm missing you. I'm streaming to several platforms and I don't quite have the chat figured out. Okay. All right, friends. Well, I'm going to let you go now. Again, this is Keck with Builderall, your information products training and support specialist. And I'm glad you're with me. Look forward to being with you tomorrow morning, 9 o'clock again, for some more training. And a reminder, I'm on tonight for the Tuesday night training, and you can find a link to that in the Builderall official group, Facebook group, I believe. But I'm going to do the Tuesday night training at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Join me for that if you like. It's usually an hour or so. It's a little longer thing, and we have been looking at, it's going to be part 2. Yesterday we started by looking at, not yesterday, last Tuesday rather, looking at IDPLR and finding a done-for-you digital product and extracting all the files and that kind of stuff. So we'll get into more of the building the website from those files today. So look forward to you joining me then, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard this evening, Tuesday, December 8th. Okay, ciao for now, friends. I'll see you next time. Bye.